tayong lahat sa araw na ito. This time, the title of our action research is Online K.A.U.S.A.P or Online K.A.U.S.A.P, which stands for Kamustahan, to alleviate and unload stress and anxieties amidst pandemic, developing a school-based group intervention program for teachers amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. The authors of this action research are the following: Sir Adrian B. Octaviano, one of our ESP teacher, Ma'am Jane J. Bantigue, our guidance counselor, and yours truly, Dr. Gina C. Bencito. For the rationale, the COVID-19 pandemic is not just causing health crises around the world. It is also affecting all spheres of life, including the field of education. This is according to LAPADA 2020. The real challenge herewith is on how to provide and deliver quality education amidst exceptional times like the COVID-19 pandemic. And on what extent are we going to become prepared when another crisis comes in the future? This is by TRIA 2020. The Mental Health Law, or RA 11036, Section 2 says, the state hereby affirms the basic right of all Filipinos to mental health, as well as the fundamental rights of people who require mental health services. Thus, the primary objective of the researchers is to develop an effective online intervention program in such a time like this pandemic for teachers in San Jose Community High School, Municipality of General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite.
As for innovation, intervention, and strategy, Online K.A.U.S.A.P used Google Meet for every session. It was voluntarily attended by 8 teacher participants who were available every 5 to 6 in the evening of every Monday, weekly for 6 consecutive sessions. Every week or session had a particular topic which mainly adapted from the Science of Well-being Yale University via Coursera. Week 1 is about orientation and overview of this online K.A.U.S.A.P intervention. Week 2 about boosting mental health and self-care. Week 3 is about gratitude, how to have a grateful heart. Week 4 is about savoring, how to exercise savoring moment. Week 5 is about sleep and meditation. And finally, week 6 is about physical exercise. As for our action research method, participants of this study and resources of data and information came from 8 teaching personnel of San Jose Community High School. In data gathering method, this action research used quantitative method by using the instrument of DAS-21 or the Depression, Anxiety, and Stress Scale. To analyze the data gathered, the researcher used mean, standard deviation, and the percentage difference. For our findings, we have our pre-test and the post-test. As you can see in Table 1, the pre-test of DAS-21, the weighted mean of the depression is severe, anxiety is extremely severe, and stress is extremely severe. All in all, the weighted mean is equal to 25.58 with a standard deviation of 8.28. In Table 2, which is the DAS-21 post-test, you can see here a big difference about the depression of the participants, which is now mild with 12.25 score of DAS-21, with anxiety of moderate with 12.25 score of DAS-21, and stress of moderate in their mean with 12.25 score of DAS-21. All in all, the weighted mean is equal to 12.25 with the standard deviation of 11.68. Based on findings, it shows that the weighted mean of pretest with 25.58 while the weighted mean of post-test is 12.28. Therefore, the computed percentage difference of both weighted mean is 52.12.
The implications of this research study are: the intervention has effectively reduced the stress and anxieties of teachers, and the online intervention program is effective. And for our conclusion, the online K.A.U.S.A.P has a significant difference from pre-intervention and post-intervention. Second, the intervention program is proposed to be utilized for the teachers identified with severe depression, anxieties, and stress. And for our recommendations, there should be a more session to address the negative emotional states of school personnel. The two teacher participants, particularly participant number 4 and 8, did not improve in their emotional state, so there is a need to follow up counseling and further intervention. And lastly, this research study should further be developed as a school-based intervention program for other schools in the division of Cavite to provide and deliver quality education amidst crisis.